future.
Sure.
Okay. So in this subject, we are going to understand how to request payment using Payoneer, or how to send an invoice to a client using Payoneer. Okay.
Okay.
This is Shabir Khan here. Now, what we're going to do is, see, there's an option which says make a payment, pay your VAT. Then there's the option withdraw to your bank account, right? Then there's an option receive. You see, request a payment. Okay. So you're going to click, request a payment here. Okay. And here you're going to select the relevant option. Now, let's check out what different options it has. How do you collect payments from clients today? So if we select this one, it says request a payment is for direct business to business payment. Payoneer offers other ways for marketplace-based businesses. Let's just select by billing them directly. Who do you need to request payments from? Other businesses or consumers? Let's select consumers. Or if we select other businesses, select the category into which your business falls. Consulting and management. Okay. Great. Looks like request a payment is right for your business. Now provide details to verify your identity and line of business. Let's provide details. Okay, so you need to, here it is asking a business profile. Let's see. Let's click here and let's see what do we need to fill for this one. Okay, can you click submit? What is it showing when you click submit?
Yeah. Then what?
Okay. Let's scroll down. Answer a few questions about your business: content transformation, programming and tech support, marketing performance, consulting and management. Let's scroll down. Select the category that does describe the services you provide. Consulting services. Bikash Magar.
Because
Tell us a bit.
Bharti.
Right.
This is Bharti.
Tell us a bit about how your business operates. Let's just right here. Hang on. I'm controlling the scene. I'll let you know when to control. Okay, hang on.
Okay.
I provide consulting services for digital funnel creation, digital funnel creation. Enter the directory of your business company website or social page. Website should not be open. Do you have any website? Yes, you do, right?
About what?
Do you have any website or domain?
Domain, that's mega digital way, I think.
Yep. So you have it, right? So is it live? Mega
Yeah.
digital way. Enter. Let's copy this. No.
Submit it.
Can you check your email?
Okay.
The email associated with Payoneer?
So, yeah, this is no message.
Okay. So now we're going to scroll down. We're going to type the email here as HAWBIR33 at gmail.com. Or let's click add new pair individual should be on should be 33 at gmail.com. We need to come down and we're going to select a country here, India. Yeah. And click next. Yeah. And amount. So we're going to put the amount here 284.07. So 284.07. US dollars. Description. Digital marketing consulting service. Instagram. Now, request payments as which one shall I choose? The capital one or the small one?
You can capital one.
Vikesh Bharati. Then need to attach in documents. Let's click next. Attach to the document with universal of your whole contract with them don't have an universal requested payment. Share directly with your peer.
Copy link and also
Copy
send your email.
and well, I already should have received that in my Pioneer notepad, but let's keep it here for a few minutes. Let's paste it here. Okay. Now let me check my email. Hang on. Okay. Okay, here's link. here. Okay. Now this is how you create an invoice link. Now we can also test that invoice link in incognito mode to see how it looks like. Okay.
Oh,
So this is how your invoice looks like, right? Now I'm going
yeah.
to go on my screen and make the invoice payment. Okay.
Yeah.